You create beautiful, stunning websites like this with AI. That's the topic of today's video. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. So I'm going to show you how to create websites like this using AI. Also, we'll talk about why should you make these websites for fun and games. No, you can actually sell these to business owners and make money. And I'll share with you a really simple but effective strategy. All right, so step number one, here's what I would do. Go to Google Maps, so maps.google.com, and search for your local businesses. So for example, in this case, we search for nail salons near me and then look at different ones. You will find local businesses that do not have any websites. So they do exist, they have operation, they're working, they're making money, but they don't have any websites. So for example, this one right here, J-Adore Nail Bar, looks like they don't really have a website. So what I'm gonna do is just copy everything from here, all of their information, because we're gonna use this information to create a stunning website, and then we can potentially sell it to them and make money. That's the strategy, that's the gameplay. All right, the tool we're gonna use is called Easy Peasy. So here's the tool. easypeasy.ai. I'll put the link below. Yes, I am an affiliate for this platform, but this is amazing. Let me log in and show you. If you look inside, this tool is all in one. You can create AI images, videos, talking videos. You can generate music. So much you can create your professional headshots. There's so much you can do with this tool. It's just unbelievable. What we're going to do for a website is actually use their marquee agent. So click on this and look at this. So this agent can build websites, apps, images, bots, slides, and so much more. What you're going to do is build a website, and simply you're going to say, build me a beautiful website for a local nail salon. And then just paste the information that you copied from that business. It says listing on Google Maps. You're gonna just paste that in here. That's it. And you're gonna hit go. By the way, you could also just record audio and talk to it. I've already done this, so let me show you. Here you go. So you can see this is what I did. Make me a website and all the information. It did thinking, it did planning, it did everything, and then it wrote the code. So let's load this up, and I'll show you. It wrote the code, and then in few seconds, it was able to build the website for me. So look at here's all the code that's written by this agent, and I did not do anything. I did not even touch it. And then it built the website. On the left-hand side, you can see the thinking process, different steps it took. You can see these, you can see different files it was working on to write the code. And then after a few seconds, look at this, everything ready to go. The phone number, let's actually see if it used the right phone number. I bet it did. Yeah, 6111. That is the right phone number, the address, and it is just stunning. Unbelievable. And obviously you can, if you want to make any changes to this, you can totally just type it or just say it and it will make changes. So here is the address, hours, everything ready to go. So here's what I would do to make money from this. How do you make money? So you can obviously publish this, or you can just send them this link. So I would email that business and send them this website and say, hey, I just made a website for you. If you want to get access to the website, it's going to be $5K, $2K, whatever your pricing may be. And do this for 5 or 10 businesses every single day, because it only took me 5 minutes to build this using this Easy Peasy's marquee agent. That's it. So you can build probably 5 to 10 every single day, email them, and some of those, between 5 to 10, some of those will actually say yes. Not only you can sell them these websites, you can also sell them the maintenance, because not only do they need the websites, they will also want you to maintain this. So simple, tool, easy peasy, link below. You can create websites and you can also monetize by selling it to the businesses. Any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.